Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to log in Cash App on another device. So let's get started. So now here we are in the website of Cash App, and it's simply cash.app right here. And you can go here into your browser. And then once you're here, you can either proceed here in the browser or you can just download the Cash App. As you can see right here, just scan this QR code and then you'd be able to download that and use the mobile app on your another device. So yeah. And then if you want to proceed here in the browser, which we'll be doing for this example, is that you want to click on the login button on the top right. As you can see right here. Click on login, and then from here you would need to provide your mobile number of your account. So if you don't have that, or if you don't want to use your mobile number, you can use the email instead right here. Then you would need to provide your email. And in my case, let's just go for the phone number. And then from here, you can choose if you are in the United Kingdom or United States. So it depends on your account or in your case. And then after that, they would send you a code either by email or your phone number, depending on what you have chosen. And from there, just provide the code that you have received from your chosen method. And then after that, you will now be logged in here in your Cash App. And yeah, that is basically it on how easy it is to log in into your Cash App account on another device. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.